His real name is Onur Seyit Yaran. Date of birth January 13, 1995. Present age he is currently 29 years old. He was born in Istanbul, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor and model by profession. He is active 2016 to present. His height is 6 feet 2 inches tall. How real name is Yagmur Yuksel. Date of birth January 21, 2002. Present age she is currently 22 years old. She was born in Izmir, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. He is active 2021 to present. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. Her real name is Hazal Subasi. Date of birth May 2nd, 1995. Present age she is currently 28 years old. She was born in Izmir, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress and model by profession. He is active 2016 to present. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. Her ethnicity is white. Her zodiac sign is Taurus.